Hi guys, I'm pleased to announce the introduction of my and that's on period kits. These kits are for every girl and every woman. So the main feature of that and that's on period, my kit, the main feature of my and that's on period kits is that they are the contents are mainly organic material, and I'm very passionate about that because I know the long-term effects of these feminine products that are on the market, which are full of chemicals and harmful toxins, and what they do to our bodies. Now imagine that you are putting a poison next to one of your most vulnerable areas 5 to 7 days every month for decades of your life. Of course it's going to have an effect, and these effects include hormonal changes that increases in estrogen. They include painful periods or dysmenorrhea, growth like fibroids, cysts, and feminine issues like PCOS and endometriosis. Okay, it is sad that we have to actually have products that cater to us, and they have to specify that they are organic and do not contain harmful chemicals or dyes. Now, I personally have stopped using the mainstream brand of feminine products, like Always, Tampax, Stay Free, whatever. I stopped using them 3-4 years now, and I will never go back to them again. I use mainly organic pads, and they are a godsend. I must say that. So my thing is that I suffered from painful periods from, I guess, like the second year that my period started, and I realized now that the pads and stuff that I was using actually used to make my cramps worse. And if I can help other girls coming up to not have to go through what I went through, even as a part of it, like experiencing that pain and that discomfort, and on top of that poisoning their bodies, then I'm happy. And that's why I created, and that's on period kits. Now I'm going to show you what looks like, what they contain. So firstly, they're going to come in these really cute little bags. Each one is going to be different. If you want, I'm thinking of including a feature where you can actually choose which one you want, but that is going to come later on. But for right now, they come already prepackaged in these cute bags, and they can hold pretty much a lot of stuff. And so the main features is, of course, we're going to have organic pads. Now, this is one of the brands that I use, and so the pads, the organic pads, are going to fit in here, and you can put as many as you want. In the kits, they're going to come between 1 to 2 organic pads are going to be in here, and they're going to be in this cute little pouch to keep them organic, hygienically safe and secure. Alright, so that is one thing that's going to be in here. Then I am also going to be adding period panties. If you don't know what period panties are, look up for my other videos because I'll go into more details on what they are. But these period panties are also made from organic material, and basically this is a panty that replaces you having to wear a pad. This holds up to 3 tampons worth. I'm going to double check that, and I'm going to post the details there. But yeah, alright. They come in different colors, including black. So this is what the inside looks like, and that is where it will be holding your stuff during that time of the month. So you can sleep securely, or securely with these. I know that has been an issue for me, like sleeping in pads and worrying that it's going to dirty up my underwear and my sheets. So these are definitely a big help, and as I said, they're made from organic materials, so they also come in a kit. You can also put a change of underwear in there as well, in case you mess up or whatever. That's your preference. And also is going to come with disposable bags for your sanitary waste, because when you're out, you don't want anybody, you have to use the bathroom, you don't want anybody to see what it is. And you can probably use this at home too. I would advise you to, because we actually waste a lot of toilet paper trying to hide them or stuff like that. So we have these bags. You can't see what's inside. They keep scents in, and they look good. So that is included. Another thing that I'm excited about is the heating pad. So this heating pad can be worn discreetly under your clothes. Because it's going to get hot, you should wear it on top of, don't put it directly on your skin. You should put it on top of your undergarment. But what I love about this is that if you're at school or if you're at work and you're not feeling well, you can put on this patch and get relief. You don't necessarily have to go home or whatever, in case you get or lug around hot water go home. So that also comes in the kit. And because we're amazing and so sweet, you also get a sweet, right? Something nice, just to remind you that this is part of the process. You're amazing and you always deserve a treat. So that is basically my And That's on Period kit. Of course, we're going to be adjusting things to go along. You can give me your feedback on what you like, what you don't like, and I can't wait to hear from you. So hit me up with any questions that you have about the kits in terms of how they're delivered, where you can get one, if some of the items are going to be sold separately, because I am going to make that option available in case you just want to get certain things. If you just want to get the organic pads, if you just want to get the heating patch, if you just want to get the period panties, that's fine. But I think that this is a really great gift idea for these young tweens or teenagers who are now going into school and stuff like that, transitioning to high school, secondary school, whatever the case may be, and you don't want them to have that experience and mess on themselves and don't know what to do. With this kit, they have everything that they need to make sure that that experience is not an embarrassing one and not as painful. Okay, guys? So thank you for watching. Primarily for those who are, these kits are alright. So my thoughts on period kits are for a good many years. I stopped using them like